nothing I wouldn't do. But I am outplayed, outplayed. But I don't mind, no, that I got outplayed, outplayed. 'Cause I'ma need an upgrade, upgrade. I thought you would see me crying. Would you? No, don't have to clarify it. My worth, I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hand slipping down. That look, that face smiling back at you, is why you always wanna be around her, be around her. Now I've come to terms over you. And although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. I've come to terms over you. And although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. But I am outplayed, outplayed. But I don't mind, no, that I got outplayed, outplayed. 'Cause I'ma need an upgrade, upgrade. But I am outplayed, outplayed. But I don't mind, no, that I got outplayed, outplayed. 'Cause I'ma need an upgrade, upgrade, yeah. But I don't mind, no, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade, outplayed, ooh. I know, outplayed, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade.
I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at a low. I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at a low. I don't understand why you're I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at a low. I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at a low. I don't understand why you're I don't understand why you had me at a low. I don't understand why you had me at a low.
Hi guys, so I'm back and this is what this hairstyle is looking like. It's very similar to what I had for my graduation, for my undergraduate graduation, but this part was a whole lot more different than what I did. Anyways, if your hair is longer, of course you can leave it like this into like a huge puff, a ponytail, but I just rolled mine into a bun and I'm going to be adding Sister Puff. Yes, you guys, if you're an OG on this channel, you know who Sister Puff is or what Sister Puff is. This is Sister Puff. She's still alive. Yes, she's still alive. Anyways, I'm just going to attach her to the back of my hair and see how that works out. Like I say, always secure your puffs. You do not want the wind, you know. So I'm just going to put it down with a bobby pin here, and then I'm going to secure the other side as well, and then I'm just going to make it into a round nice little puff. I'm going to add another bobby pin here just so it's secure and safe. This is such an easy hairstyle. I always try to make my hairstyles or my natural hairstyles really easy in case you're not someone who is really good with natural hair and you just want to just style your natural hair quickly. Well, this is the hairstyle for you. If you have long hair, short hair, you can also try this hairstyle out. I just have like a twist here going back to the bun, and then I just have this side part. That's pretty much it for this hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're going to try out this hairstyle or any of the hairstyles I show you guys on my channel, please definitely remember to tag me on Instagram at Glory Oakings. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about this style. Would you try it out? This is what it looks like. It's just so, you know, yeah. So I've come to the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.